Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino, price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes.
All right, fellow traders, I'll be back in about a minute.
High and low, TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino, price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move.
Hey guys. hello everybody. L7 Trader, Obase, Dave Josh online, JB, Brandy in the house, H Batman, Justin Ride in the house, Bowser Trader, what is going on, man? Jamal, Bowser, how was your day? All right, so let's all right, before we do that, let's take a look at the vote. So we already have 50 votes. We had half the participants saying they had a good day, so that's good. Wow, that's good. For me, I lost I can't remember now. I lost one XFA, I lost one yeah, I think I lost 2 eval, 1 funded, and everything else was pretty much green, but green very small. Well, I had couple $100 on a few of them, but I had to flip a whole bunch of accounts. So honestly, I'm having a tough time, I'll be honest, as far as trading all my accounts goes. I'm very unfortunately that's the case. But I've also got the EA that I'm kind of working on right now. Yesterday I was down about $1,800. Somehow found a way to get it down to negative 900. So still alive and well for now. We'll try to trade this again today and see what happens. At the start, I'm gonna kind of observe the market do its thing, and then we'll try to navigate through this and see what side of the trade we got to make. It was a pretty bearish market today with a lot of volatility, right? So we had a big bounce, really kind of came to a point where a lot of the bears, I think, was kind of forced to flip to long because the market was just looking so bullish right at the start, and of course along the way. And that a lot of fakes today, right? So a lot of bounce, but the bounce came with a big massive pullback and really caught the bulls, you know. And then I don't know, the whole day was, I think, like that. So every bounce was sort of a shorting opportunity, but it just went just a slightly more, enough to take the bears change their bias to the long side, and of course ended up getting chopped. I did not trade as much again. Today was definitely not one of those days I traded aggressively. I was kind of slow, but I will be live tomorrow morning as well, by the way, guys. I'll be live tomorrow morning to start the cash. Yeah, I'll be live the whole morning, so we'll look to see if we can actually make some good trades tomorrow. I think tomorrow's also OPEX, right? So options expiry too, so I think it's gonna be a fun day. I may load in some. Well, we also have PCE early in the day, so I don't know. I may go live a little bit sooner, and figure something out. We'll see how things goes, guys. I mean, it's pretty wild times we live in right now. lots and lots of volatility, guys. Justin, right, you got trapped and was red, and I recovered at the end of the day. It's $37. Hey man, that's good. Hey, by the way, guys, I may be getting a small little payout. That's take profit trader. I may be getting, I don't know how much that is, maybe 150 bucks. I'll take anything right now, even $1. Yeah, I think, yeah, you're right. Always, I think the market will find a directional move, not just because of PCE, but we also have something else. I keep forgetting what that was. Right, so we got core PCE, right? And we also have GDP data that's coming out as well. So GDP and core PCE all coming at the same time. So that's 8:30 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. Lots of stuff going on right now. You felt like it's getting tired in a cup of cappuccino. Oh, well, maybe you should try frappuccino for now. F90, what is going on, man? Opening chart was really bad. Still green, yeah, man. I mean, it was a tough day, but still, if you guys were in green, I think you guys definitely did, you know, did a good thing, I guess. Turgules, what is going on? JLF. Cheezy 1201 picked up 5 top step accounts. Nice, man. Nice. So there's a lot of rumors and talks about top step. I'm starting to get a little freaky. I may try to stay away from top step after blowing my XFA. I don't think I'll be loading anymore. I will see. We'll keep an eye on this though. Too many noise out there right now. So yeah, Justin, right? I got slightly more than you did. $150. I think that's what I got right now. So we'll see. A little over $150. I will request that, and I will post it on a payout tab. Woo, baby! It's yeah. So top step changing so many rules. Yeah, I kind of bothers me. I don't know. I saw somebody's feed came on my YouTube talking about I don't know, it's something about some 20% or 30% rule on the live account. So I don't know what it is. So anyways, guys, the biggest and the largest payout for StockTiger coming in to you tonight. Take profit trader, $147. I think that's what it is. Oh my god, I have no idea, guys. StockTiger. Anything I can take, I will be happy. Yeah, so I'm still grinding. I think I'm doing better. I am definitely doing better, a lot better, obviously. Ever since getting off the silver trade. So I am definitely a lot better in a way. I'm a lot more disciplined. I'm making a lot less mistakes. I'm not getting as much, but I mean, I'm not losing as much as well, right? So anyways, guys, the market opens in about 30 seconds here, guys. It's wow, we're obviously in the no man's land right now. We clearly have to get certain level. We want to get above, I would say 877. Let's just round the number to 900, right? We've got to get above 900. All right, get above 900 or be underneath 750 area in order to feel a lot more bearish in this market. I am, of course, overall from this market standpoint, I am leaning more downside, right? I'm leaning more downside. So every pop that we get in the market, I'm going to try to short the pop, right? That bias could change into tomorrow morning, right? So if PC comes in lighter than expected, and if GDP is way better than we kind of expected, then I think this market is going to rip. All the way, not even to the moon. I think it's going to go straight to the Mars, right? So, Adam B, what is going on, man? How's your day? How's your day? Getting a lot of payouts so far, brother? Are you the one taking all my profits? All right, so far pretty dead market for now, right? Nice, man. Nice. Glad to hear you guys doing really well. Glad, really, honestly, man. It's a tough market to trade. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It's a tough market, you know. All right, I'm gonna try to.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
All right, so here I am, guys. I'm trying to short this on a pop. So anything beyond this. So 860, guys. 860 is my level that I'm gonna be watching. With the micro, guys. I'm in a micro. I'm in a micro, so I'm gonna scale in, obviously. So yeah, I still have this banner. Probably gonna use that 10,000 sub banner, StockTiger. Probably gonna be using that. Enough, StockTiger, enough. We also have Supreme Court, I think, tomorrow morning, and that's going to. I'm sure right now. I'm sure, guys, with 2 micro. Oh well, this is the moment I'm kind of going like, okay, well, I wish I was in 30 million contracts. Okay, so let me just take a look and see, related to, all right, Supreme Court is going to be ruling on Trump's most sweeping duties, right? So the decision likely on Friday, that's tomorrow, right? And that's a major case about US tariff imposed by Donald Trump, right? That's will be decided tomorrow morning. So we've got that catalyst as well, and alongside with that, we got PCE and GDP at the same time. So we got a lot of fancy news coming out tomorrow morning. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild, guys. All right.
Order filled. Order filled.
So we've got that, and then what else? And we also have obviously Donald Trump. Well, not Donald Trump. The U.S. and Iran tension. It's not off the table, so I don't think it's gonna be a full-blown war, if you will, but at least I do kind of expect to see maybe airstrikes. And I don't know. All right, I'm gonna have a hard stop
Order
here.
working.
Well, I'm just tuning it down. This too loud. It's OPEX 2 tomorrow, so. Killer 89, what is going on, man? What up, brother? What up?
Order filled.
Okay, so
order filled.
Oh shoot, guys, we are getting a nice little bounce.
Order cancelled.
We broke out, guys. We broke out. All right, I'm gonna have a hard stop, so that way I don't really get I don't get nuked. So I have a hard stop there. 860, my hard stop there. We'll see now what happens. But yeah, I will be live tomorrow morning, so I will be live tomorrow morning. And yeah, I did not really get into too much trading today per se. So, I mean, I lost a few, but I did not really, yeah. It was a pretty slow day for StockTiger, and that's really been, that's how it's been for the last couple of days, maybe into last week as well. So, that's not good because that, I've got to start taking some risk here because, I need some payouts as well myself. Kind of stuck in that range as far as the payout is concerned. So yeah. And I think the same thing today, right? We had a big move right at the start, and all of a sudden the market started to really chop around for, I guess, the rest of the day. And then I also got denied on my payouts as well this morning, so muchi. I want to also find out, Bulanox still only Quantower, right? Does anybody trade anything else other than Quantower? Slow and steady wins the race. Yeah, that's right. I mean, yeah, that's true, but depends on how long you want to wait. Slow and steady for 40 days, 60 days. I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh, you guys are trading on Ninja Trader? Really? Ah. That's right. You have an option to trade on Ninja or Quant Tower. I could try to do the same, I guess. Watch this. I don't. But of course, I thank you for using my code, Rajtis. Every time you guys use my code, just let me know who you are, right? You know what I mean? Obviously, I appreciate everybody using my code as well. I think Quant Tower is slightly better in my opinion. I mean, not slightly better. I think way better, but everybody has different opinions. I mean, we also have a lot of traders loving Ninja Trader, right? So I may have to try to use Ninja too. I want to kind of diversify myself. We got Tradeovate, we got Quant Tower, and of course we got Project X as well, but it's only on one firm. And then we got Ninja Trader. I've got to find a way to do a better setup on my Ninja Trader. I kind of suck so bad. Oh, universal vibe. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks, brother. Samuel Price, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Once in a while. Yeah, thank you. I mean, 6883 on a SPY. Which would use? Feel free to chime in. I'm gonna add the poll. My stop is 4 con. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I mean, right now it's only 6 micro, right? So Perfexler, what is going on, brother? From Europe. Here you go. We got a fellow traders from Europe as well. Mehdi Ni and Q, what is going on, bro? What is up? So far, a bit of a chop here in a very tight range. I don't even think this is a 10 points range, by the way. So yeah, we'll let this price do its thing for now. This market is a holy mochaccino. Oh, guys, I mean, you know, I have never been this patient, to be honest, in my trading journey. I think this is probably the last couple of weeks that I've been trading. Probably the most patience I have shown in the last 24 months. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I mean, that's good. That's good. I think that's a good problem. Well, not a good problem, a good thing, I guess, right? Being showing a lot of patience in my trades, but at the same time, I'm also losing out on a lot of key opportunities, right? Like early morning, every single, obviously the last 3 days, every morning at the start we had an opportunity, right? And now obviously I just kept missing out. I'm being patient because of a lot of things, right? Because first, you know, once after getting beat up so much, you want to kind of slow down on your trading journey, right? You want to try to step back and just go a little slow. And also at the same time, you've lost some level of your confidence, right? Because you've got beat in the last couple of weeks. So you've lost that confidence, right? You're trying to rebuild this confidence, and that's going to take time. So while you're building that confidence, you're going to lose. You're afraid to kind of step into a trade more often than not, right? Because you kind of feel like, oh, I don't want to lose anymore. I don't want to lose anymore. And then all of a sudden you kind of miss that opportunity, and you kind of like, you know. And then there's something there. Tomorrow morning we got PCE, right? So PCE, I'm not sure what to do. I may be loading some Tradify growth challenge that you can pass in a day. I may try. We'll see. James Kim, what is going on, James Kim, man? It's been a while. Where were you? Oh, you've been here, but just been quiet, right? That's what it is. I missed you, man. I hope you're having a good time and doing also well with the trading too. So guys, we are getting a little bit of a chop here. Pulling back though. We'll see, guys. We have what it takes to get a bounce in this market. I'm kind of looking at 860 as my hard reach. So anything beyond that, I'm going to exit this trade. And of course, we'll look to see if we can actually get into another trade a little later. So I put a hard stop here. Obviously, I've got just 4 micro, but it doesn't really matter. 860, actually, you know what? 865. And then... what is this? There we go. Way better. All right, let's see, guys, if we get a bounce off this level. I've never heard of a TAS platform, so I don't know. It's gonna pump to 900. We could get a pump to 900. I mean, you see, that's the level there, right? So, so I think, yeah, I mean, either market's gonna crash or we maybe we find a short-term bottom in the market. It really boils down to tomorrow, right? I think this year for me, I'm just gonna keep moving funds to my personal live account that I obviously used to load in my equities, right? Not the futures, but equities, right? So I'm gonna be keep doing that this year. So every quarter, as I build profits on my PROPFIRM trading, I will be moving a portion of that profits into my swing trading account. I already have one swing trading account that I share with everybody. That's the public account, but I will be getting another swing trading account that's probably going to be about 30k 40k, and so I'm going to be using both side by side. My goal this year is to have over maybe over, I don't know, maybe over 100,000 capital to kind of shift to the swing trading account, and then from there try to build, like, grow that swing trading account and share the journey with everybody. Right now, I don't have, like, it's not like the position is not there. I've obviously got a lot of cash on the sideline. So once all my limit orders get filled and across a lot of the equities that I'm kind of looking at right now, I will share those positions. I mean, Eddie, what is going on, man? Grant 9664, what is up? All right, so far the market's trying to hold. We are trying to get a little break to the upside. Are we gonna try to get a bounce in this market now? Yeah, I've got a hard stop here, 864. So we are trying to get a breakout here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order cancelled. Order working.
Yeah, it looks bouncy. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here. I like just exit this trade, guys.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty choppy, but yeah, exited that trade. We got a little breakout there on that pivot at 850, so let's wait. Just like yesterday, right? Yesterday, I got squeezed all the way to the top and I kind of got shaken out. But now I got out early, so that's fine. Only down about 250, so we'll try to see if we can actually make a little comeback here. And see what happens. Yeah, I did that trade. Now I'm just gonna kind of sit back and watch the market do its thing and see what happens. And maybe wait for Take Profit Trader to update their dashboard so I can actually request a payout. The biggest and the largest $150 payout request, maybe, or maybe even less than that. I'm gonna oh, maybe I lied. No, I didn't lie. No, it's about 130 bucks. I'm looking at the wrong dashboard right now. Yeah, let's wait for this market to give us some sort of a directional move. Yeah, you know, I think you're right. You know, we may be trying to head back into 900 area before we get any kind of a pullback. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. Maybe this is what we're trying to do, or maybe trying to grab more liquidity in this area. You know, we try to get a bounce and give us something like that. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bounce. Yeah, we got a pivotal point. We've got this is definitely a supply zone, a key level. So let's see if we get a bounce into that 900 area, guys, or we end up getting a little bit of a chop here and maybe maybe the market squeeze a little later on. But again, too much negative news and sentiment overall in this market. So yes, we are holding right now. We are holding, but I mean, I'm overall still bearish. Overall, still bearish, guys. We had a chance to kind of break out in a lot of cases, right? In the last week or so, we had a chance here to break out. We never could do that. We had a chance to do that here. We could not do that. So we got a lot of, you know, we had a lot of chance to show, you know, the bulls to get a bounce, but we just couldn't do it, guys. We just couldn't do it. So I almost kind of feel like, you know, we have a little bit of a, how did I do that little draw in there? I can't even do that. It's hard to draw here. Damn. Yeah, I've got to get back to my Trotivate. Yeah, I'm finding it hard to do that here. We'll try to use Trotivate, so you know what I mean? Like, this is on a daily chart, but I almost kind of think the market's doing something like, let's get rid of this. Something like this. It's kind of fading, right? Every bounce is fading, right? So I'm kind of feel like, you know, we may be doing something like this. A little bit of curve. We may try to get a little bounce, but eventually that kind of fades and give us the pullback down. So maybe we try to get a bounce back into, I don't know, this area. That would be 68.90-ish. Get a little bounce and then just not pull back down into the 66, I would say. But of course, I mean, that's what technical, we are talking from a technical standpoint, but we also have a lot of fundamental catalysts that's going to dictate where the market's going to go. And I think we've got that tomorrow, right? And alongside that, we've got also, we also have, of course, the Iran and the US, right? And then also we have, like I said again, the PCE, the GDP, and the Supreme Court tomorrow. I think these are some of the bigger catalysts that's going to really dictate where the market's going to go. So let's keep an eye on that, guys. I mean, that's I think tomorrow morning, I think it's going to be big. Yeah, wait for us. Look for some big moves tomorrow morning. Booster juice, sir. Can I get 1 cup of booster juice, sir? Eddie, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't mind. I don't mind doing that, but is that really gonna change anything? We could, you know, just one of these days we could try that. Well, I found that in my storage, and since I'm a tiger myself, all right, we are getting a little grind to the upside, guys. That could be it. Again, man. Again, yesterday the same thing. I went short and the market ripped yesterday at night. And literally the same thing right now. We broke out. Let's try to go long here, guys. Let's try. Yeah, I mean, we got a little bit of resistance there. We gotta try to get out of. This is gonna be a big one, right? So I'm gonna try to long.
Order
pull
working.
Back here.
Order working. Order working.
All right. We definitely have a little bit of resistance, so maybe we get a slightly more pullback here down before we get a bounce. So I'm gonna try to long this on a pullback here, guys. What is going on, man? Unknown, Nashi, Velish, Drake Crypto, guys, man. I hope you guys caught that move to the upside. Again, you should have faded StockTiger, yeah.
Order filled.
Uh-oh, my order got filled right now, guys. Order filled. No. Don't fill. Yeah.
Order filled.
Maybe that's because of your name. Order working. That's because I think your name. Guys, man, if you guys caught that move to the upside, oh my god, are we actually gonna end up pulling back here? Is that what it is?
Order
all right,
working.
I'm gonna try to long
Order
here on a
working.
pullback.
Order
My hard
working.
stop is gonna be right at the VWAP. Let's see what happens now. Oh, I don't know about the instant lightning funded. I mean, maybe you guys can ask Joey Crypto. Maybe you should ask everybody else. I mean, how they feel. Instant funded. I mean, that's pretty pricey though, right? I did take a look at that before, but the price was too much. Too much. Let me just take a look at the price on that bad boy. The 50Ks are, yeah, $330 with a daily loss limit 1250. So I don't know. That's a lot of
Order
pressure,
filled.
right, to trade that account. Yeah, I'm gonna try to long and try to scale into my trade. What I'm gonna try to do is go a little aggressive on my long on a pullback, right? So kind of try to trust this. It does look like we still have some ways to go to the upside, so I think this is where it's kind of try to get to. I think this is where it's trying to get into, so this would be an area 890. I would say this is probably an area where it wants to get to, so I'm going to try to trust this. I may have to risk this account. A long ways to go to blow this account, right? I got $3,200 drawdown, so I will exit this trade at 830 area, guys, and I'm gonna try to scale into this trade as we start to get the pullback here down.
Order working.
Or the VWAP here at the 40s. So I'm gonna be looking for that slight little pullback here down. Oh my god, look at that drawing. So let's try to look for that little pullback down, and that would take us back higher again. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking for that trade to kind of play out. I don't know if we will, but let's give it a shot, guys. I'm gonna try to give it a shot, guys, to see if that becomes a winning trade. Let's go, baby. No, I'm not using broadening technique. No, I'm not. I'm just looking at the trend line right now and the breakout on a 15 minutes chart. So I've got 3 micro right now. I want to probably get to like 15-20 contracts if I can, but we are already getting a bounce. Well, you got a little bit of minor resistance here at the 860. We got to pierce through that, but I think we are gonna try to pull back and try to retest that area and eventually find a way to break out of that, right? And maybe get back to 900. Yeah, so far I don't have anything to request a payout. I may have something, I'm not sure. Let me just give it a try. I'll try 1 second, guys. I do have something that's, oh shit, no. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the reason why I got denied. I sent an email to find out, because I don't really see a reason why, but or so far we're kind of chopping the range. I'd like to see a little pullback here, to be honest, so I can actually try to we are breaking out. Yeah. Somebody's asking what does holy mochaccino means. So holy mochaccino means straps in, sip your espresso, and let the candles do the talking. Uh-oh. We have Full Match TV official. Subscribe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god. We are getting a bounce right now, guys. I mean, I kind of feel like I'm finding the top here. I'd like to see a little more pullback here, guys, so I can actually go a little more aggressively. I know I'm a little late to the party.
Order
I don't think it's
cancelled.
going to pull back into the 850s
Order cancelled.
now.
Order cancelled.
No, we are getting that sort of a pullback. We are far
Order
off.
cancelled. Order cancelled.
Right, we are so far off.
Order cancelled.
Holy mochaccino, say that again. All right. All right, StockTiger. Oh my god! Apex sale end on the 24th, so next week on Tuesday. Oh guys, man, look at this Reaper. Rip your, oh dear guys, man, what am I gonna do about this? Do we have a little bit of a leak here? PCE, good news maybe? Is that what it is? Wow, man, I wish. 860 my entry, guys, man. This would have been nicer to trade to the upside. Should I try to add some more? We already squeezed up so much right now. Yeah, it's okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit here. Or do we go straight to the moon? Yeah, it's OPEX tomorrow as well, guys. We got a lot of catalysts tomorrow. We may get a little bit of a leak, you know, who knows, on the reports. And the market may rip today, right now. Come on, Monica, let's not be too bullish. That's just too bullish, Monica. 980, 990. Let's effing go, Tiger. Miss K 911. Is that a Porsche 911? Is that what it is? $911 Porsche. Holy mochaccino, that's really expensive. Yeah, I'm taking a look at it right now. What the heck? Do I see another zero at the end? Do I see another zero here? Is that what it is? No, that can't be true. We got another zero. Yeah, I mean, I'm up, but I don't know if this is even worth it. I'm just, yeah, I'll exit this trade right here,
Order
guys.
filled.
And I'm gonna be looking for that pullback here down, right? Let's look for that little pullback here. Holy man, that's $230,000. $250,000. Is that right? Am I looking at the wrong price? And that's in USD too. So in Canadian, it's like almost $500,000. I like Cayenne, but I'm not into cars anyway, so I just looked at Miss K 911. I'm like, okay, well, that could be a Porsche. Porsche. Space Future, what is up, man? Perpexler 731. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna remember your target, Monica. Don't talk to me anymore. It looks like we gotta get a little pullback here, which is fine by me. I'm gonna be looking for that little pullback here down so I can actually hop on a long again. Yeah, we're sitting at 880 right now. 880. Pretty choppy, similar to what we had this morning. I will be live tomorrow morning, guys, by the way, so you guys are gonna see me go live, and hopefully I don't nuke any accounts tomorrow. Hopefully it's going to be one of those nights where it's, yeah, I'm not, yeah, I mean, and for me, it doesn't really matter if it's eval or funded accounts. I just don't. Well, I'm okay to lose a few accounts on a bad day, but I'm a little bit more cautious as far as my trading goes, right? I'm definitely tilting a lot less now versus, I don't know. It's been a while since I really tilted bad. Well, actually, no, I lied. 3 weeks ago when I was trading silver. Well, silver is not really tilting because you're in 1 minute contract, but it took you like a few seconds to kind of get blown on your account, right? Trading silver. So that's, I don't know if you guys want to call it tilting. Maybe it is, I don't know. Man, tomorrow's gonna get really interesting, guys. I mean, tomorrow's gonna get very interesting. I almost kind of feel like maybe I should just shut down my computer all day tomorrow and just kind of walk away and not trade, and maybe come back on the weekend on Saturday and kind of watch the chart and go, okay, well, maybe a good thing that I did not trade on Friday. You know what I mean? Just one of those days I kind of feel like, oh my god, I better stay away or something. One second, I'm just gonna go to the wash. I'll be right back, guys. to stay. All right, so we should do a giveaway. We could, but we could. $874. Yeah, we are getting a little pullback here. Yeah, traded for the WPC is gonna determine. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and not just PCE, but I think we got GDP. I think GDP is gonna be big. I kind of expect better. You know, it would pretty much come in line, or maybe a better report for PCE and GDP. That's what I'm kind of thinking, but I don't know if that's gonna be good enough, right? You know what I mean? So I don't know, man. I think the market will definitely give us a lot of surprise, right? Tomorrow, I think it's definitely gonna give us a lot of surprise tomorrow. All right, by the way, guys, my Discord link is here. My Discord link is here. If you guys want to hang out with some of the finest trader. Right, so the market is so far kind of chopping here in the range. I mean, yeah, I mean, daily day trades, I think that maybe that could be something of a likely scenario tomorrow morning. But I know that I think this market is going to be wild tomorrow morning. That's all I can say. So probably best time to kind of get your evals ready, I guess, right? I would like to kind of try to stay away from trading tomorrow altogether, but instead I'm gonna go, well, I'm gonna take it a little slow, but I will be live tomorrow morning, right? I will be live tomorrow morning though. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking of doing the Tradify, the growth challenge. I wonder what that is, how much it is on that growth challenge. If I did a growth one is 97. Yeah, $97. Yeah, it's $95, $97. I don't know if I want to be doing that. No. You want to pass your Apex before next Tuesday? Probably tomorrow could be the good time to do that, to be honest. Yeah, tomorrow could be the good time to pass whole bunch of Apex and Bullanox. I don't know if you guys have Bullanox, but Bullanox could be the one too. Oh my god, we are getting a nice little pop here, guys. Is this going to be a fade? I think tomorrow's a good chance to do it tomorrow. But if you already have funded accounts, I think maybe good idea to not even do anything, to be honest. Wonder if I have to trade this. It looks nice so far. kind of feel like, you know, we have a nice little slow grind to the upside kind of playing out, but we also have to get through this a key level here. So let's kind of wait. They could be denying your apex because if you violate it, you need 8 days and $2,000 profit. What is that $2,000 of profit that you're talking about? By the way, I did get denied. I did get denied, and I'm still trying to figure out why. I don't think I've. If you got denied, sorry. They could be denying your pay because if you violate, you need 8 more days. Yeah, I got denied, yeah. One, two, three. I have no idea why I got denied. I'll find out. I'll find out. I'm not sure just yet. Yeah, no, I had 8 days of trading on that account. I already had 8 days, so. On the first day, you saw the red diamond on the PA chart, so I got approved after doing that. Oh, nice, man. Good stuff. All right, guys, we get a little pullback here down.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order cancelled.
Ah, there we go, man. I should have trusted that. I mean, with Apex, you know, it's pretty straightforward. If you make a couple $100, I think Apex, you know, I think it's a firm that you really want to copy trade and look for base hits, right? few $100 and copy trading. I think that's probably the way to go with Apex, right? So not all copy trading accounts, but I mean at least 3 or 4 accounts at a time, and go for the base hits with 1 mini contract straight in, and couple $100, $300, $400. That's good enough for a day. That will, you're gonna stay away from all the MAE issues and all that scaling in issues and all that, right? So these rules are there, and this privates you to violate the rules. But I mean, if you are trading one account at a time and going slightly more aggressive, this is when you kind of start to get hurt, right? But I think for traders who are going for base hits on Apex account, because you got 20 accounts that you can kind of copy trade, and you look for that $200-$300 move with 1 mini contract, or say 4 or 5 micro contracts, I think that's pretty much, I think it suits well with those kind of traders. I'm kind of right in the middle. The only issue is that I don't copy trade my accounts, and that's where the problem is. You can scale in with micro, you know, you can scale in. I don't know. Really? Anyways. Yeah, man. Everybody requesting lots of payouts. Incredible. I'm probably the only one like sitting here with $8,000 of payout in total this month. But you know what? I think it's kind of very important that you should not compare yourself with everybody else, because you start doing that, you're gonna start to get into a you know, into some problems as far as your trading goes. Too bad Apex ends deal on 24th. Nvidia earning on the 25th. But I think, you know, I mean, daily day, we got a big one tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's gonna be a big day, right? So, hey, what is up, man? 44 Punish in the house. This has been your worst month in trading the last 2 years. Oh, yeah. Anybody here like the worst month? Is February your worst month? Let's find out, guys. Let's do a little poll here, guys, man. Why not, right? Why not? So let's find out. In the last 12 months, is February your worst month? Let's find out. For me, yes, it is. 100% without a doubt. 100%. I mean, nothing wrong, right? We all are being very transparent here. And oh yeah, it's not over yet, by the way. The February is not even over yet. We're not even well, we're kind of halfway through now. We still have one more week, but I mean, give or take, we only have like another a full trading week. That's it. That's all we have. Nice. Alex Moore Trader. Hey, thanks for using my code, brother. Thanks. And thank you everybody for using my code, man. Honestly. Thank you guys. Yeah. Oh, your best February? Oh, nice, man. Yeah. It's been a rough. It's all thanks to Silver, man. But obviously, who am I to blame Silver? It's all my fault at the end of the day. Is the gold moving? Well, the gold's moving, guys. We're going back down. This could be a good, like, you know, I think for traders looking for that sort of a chop moves, you know, gold could be the perfect one to be in. I mean, look. Yeah, man. The gold, I mean, if you're playing the chop, buy here, sell here. I mean, this could be a really nice trades you could actually make with the gold. And I'm on a 50-minute shot that too. Oh, really? Oh, Alex, man, thanks, brother. Thank you so much, bro. Yeah, I'm getting better. I'm getting better right now. I'm making a nice little recovery here, so I'm definitely doing better. I just you know, it's I just gotta keep grinding and get better every single day, right? Hopefully we have a good strong hopefully I have a strong month of March. For now, I just don't have that sort of confidence just yet. I'm building right now, though. I'm kind of getting there. Any news event tomorrow? Yeah, we got PCE, and we also have a GDP, and we also have Iran and US battle. We'll see what happens in the weekend, guys, man. This could be a good time to kind of try to YOLO something over the weekend, you know what I mean? Well, yeah, that's... Oh, guys, man, we are getting a nasty pullback here. So I wonder what this is going to be. Is this going to be a start of a bigger pullback here, or what, everyone? Yeah, nobody cares about Jerome now. Nobody... Oh, thank you. Final countdown. It is. Oh, okay. That Jerome. Oh, I see. I thought you were talking about JP. Oh, I see. Yeah. You're talking about the Jerome. Yeah. Yeah, from the biggest and the largest. Yeah, that's right. Okay. I thought you were talking about JP. I was like, what the hell? Why would we be talking about JP right now? The biggest and the largest. NKD moving. I don't even have NKD anymore on my chart. I know I took it off a while ago, and I honestly, guys, man, I'm not gonna lie. I took my silver chart away, and it's still there right now. It's still there.
Order filled.
Guys, man, I just hopped on the long. What the hell? And that bounce off the VWAP, I kind of like that. I'm kind of a little late, but I mean, I'll take it, guys. I'll take it. Oh well, we'll see now. My stop right at the break even. Sorry, not at the break even. My stop right at the VWAP.
Order filled. Order
You've got
filled.
Mochaccino pulling back here. That is unreal.
Order working. Order filled.
It's gonna be a nice little sashimi bounce.
Order
we'll find
working.
out, everybody.
Order cancelled.
StockTiger back in green.
Working.
Oh, baby, let's go. Let's go. StockTiger. The #1 best trader, StockTiger, made $40 today. Incredible. Oh, maybe I lied. I'm down $40 right now.
Order cancelled.
Oh, we had Japan. That's right, Tokyo. Well, Tokyo's not open. They're closed, right? Well, Asia's lucky, man. They're on vacation. Japan, Korea, China. Everybody on vacation for the entire week. You've got to be kidding, guys. How in the world you shut down the entire trading for a week? And that's incredible.
Order filled.
All right, guys,
Order
I'm gonna exit this trade
Order
right here.
filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, man. You know, oh man, thank God I took it off right there, guys, man. I did not feel, I kind of smelled something bad, something rotten on that bounce. I was like, you know what? Something seems fishy. I'm gonna take it off. Maybe it's a good thing I did. Oh. No, I'm out of my trade, by the way, guys. I'm out of my trade. Listen a song for the broken hearted. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, Monica, man, I hope you feel better. Sorry to hear that, Monica. We'll see you tomorrow, Monica. Black Mamba, Tiger's a human algo. Oh, yeah. Or I may be an AI algo. Who knows? Who knows? StockTiger trading live from somewhere. I wish I could say trading live from Panama. Would have been a lot better. I need another boost of juice. Yeah, it's freaking cold right now, guys, man. It's minus 30. Minus 30. Ooh, really cold. All right, guys, fellow traders in the house, show some love. Smash a like if you can. If you guys want to support the stream, I thank you so much once again for doing that. As always, thank you and love you guys. Where are you? I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm definitely hunting. I hunt all day. I even hunt for trades while I'm in the washroom too. Holy mochaccino. So minus 30 degrees. What is that in Fahrenheit? So what is that going to be? I can't even do the math. Forget about it for now. Per pixeler, yeah, there we go. A passionate day trader. And don't blame me if you missed your chance to get into a trade. That's Globex Asia for you? Yeah, we know that. We know that. No, it's not minus. No, this is not on Fahrenheit. This is Celsius, right? Yeah, so it's minus 22 Fahrenheit. Yeah, minus 22. It's pretty cold. Yeah, I'm trading from Alaska right now. Junio, I'm trading from Junio, Alaska. Junio. 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 All right. Oh, Jake to Hustler, yeah, you know that. Dooley. Oh my god, somebody said Dooley. I was like, you know what? I remember that little Korean animation for kids. Are you Korean, Jake? That was a Korean little like 20 years ago. A little cartoon that I used to watch as a kid. Well, no, I lied. I'm only 17, right? So, anyways, guys, forget about my age. All right, guys. So the market's chopping here in a very tight range. A very tight range, everybody. I really wonder where this is gonna go. I am leaning more bulls, but just keep in mind, guys, we got a big fat level here we got to get through. I think once we get through this, I think it's going to be big. But, guys, man, we are getting pretty close, guys. 890 here. Are we going to break out today? Is that what it is? Are we going to break out today? I don't know, man. This is a big level. I do not want to be trying to go long here at this level, right? You see, I don't want to go long right here. This is just definitely not the level I want to go long. But I would like to go long on a pullback here, guys. Maybe back into, I would say, not as deep into my Korean sounds better. Come on, be nice. Should we do a giveaway? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. All right, so 887. Wow, look at that bounce, guys. I mean, this is incredible. This is crazy. Yeah, so of course we have PC tomorrow. So obviously if you guys are looking to pass a whole bunch of evals, maybe tomorrow could be the day to do it. PC and GDP, and on top of that we got on the weekend. Well, not on the weekend. I'm PC and PCE, and of course the GDP, and on top of that we got Supreme Court related to the tariff, right? Yeah, Apex 90% off right now. Bill&Ox 89 as well. I would prefer to just go with Apex instead of going with Bill&Ox. But if you feel uncomfortable with a lot of rules, then maybe Bill&Ox could be a better choice. But the activation is, I think it's twice as much, right? So I don't really see a reason why you want to be going with Bill&Ox at this point. Unless you already have lots of Apex accounts with you right now handy, that could be a different conversation. But the market's sitting at 890. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get through this, guys. I don't know. I mean, as much as it looks like it wants to pierce through, I will be surprised if we don't get a rejection here and just keeps going to the moon. I will be surprised if we do that. I think we're gonna try to reattempt to get a maybe pullback and try to retest the low. Not retest the low, I mean at least a pullback into the VWAP at some point, and then eventually maybe try to break out. Apex activation is $75. Apex activation is $75. Holy Mo, look at Mo. Holy, he's crushing it. I like the way Mo Wiznafi, I don't know if you're here right now, but I really like the way you're trading with these charts, guys. I mean, honestly, it's something that we can take away. Really, I like it. I like it. Yeah, really nice setups on these. Yeah, I like it. Paul, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Dude 45. Holy, dude 45, $60. Dude 45 already went long and put a hard stop there right at the break even. Incredible. Incredible. The killer. Incredible, guys. Incredible. You guys are killing this market. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here it is. 891. Oh yeah, so I wanted to show you guys the PROPFIRM discount maybe. Take a look, guys. There's a PROPFIRM information. You get the cheat sheets and all that, you know, all the information, good stuff, all there. And by the way, guys, there goes. Where's the PROPFIRM discount? Yeah, so PROPFIRM, we got 90% off right now, $75. Did I not share this? Yeah, I did share. Right, so this is what it is right now. Right, so $75 activation and 90% off on an eval. So you're literally paying a little less than $20 on each of your Apex eval account that you purchase. Of course, with the best code, humble code, Tiger. And that's what it is. All right, guys. Now we got a little rejection here at 890. I'd like to see a little pullback here down into the VWAP before we try to retest the high again. Interesting. 884. So we are definitely getting that little pullback here. All right, so we are getting that pullback here, guys. We got a rejection off that 890 that we kind of expected to see, and that's sort of a pullback here down. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try to short on a bounce,
order
guys.
Working, order working, order working, order working, Order working.
I'm gonna try to short the bounce, guys.
Order working. Order working. Order working.
That's right. I'm trying to short this killer 89 on a bounce. That is right. So missed by a penny. Yeah. You know, I don't know if I explained that during the morning, but I did miss out quite a few opportunity to get into good trades by placing a limit order. Maybe next time I'm just gonna have to do market order. Kind of getting a little. Should we do okay, well, all right, let's we could do another giveaway in celebration, of course, in celebration of our 10,000 sub. Hold on one second, guys, I've got to set it up right now. But it's tough. We got to get a lot of loves, though. We got to get a lot of loves. But this time around, we'll roll over the giveaway into tomorrow, right? If I can call out the winner at about 400 likes, we will roll it over to tomorrow, okay? We'll do take profit trader, yeah. Take profit trader. Hold on one second, guys. I've got to set it up. So as soon as you type in exclamation tiger, you also will have to smash a like at the same time if you want to show some love, so we can call out the winner at around 400 likes. Easily doable. You got over 400 viewers right now, so hold on one second. I've got to set it up. Kind of waiting 1 second. And this is in celebration of our 10,000 sub, by the way, and I thank you guys. Oh my god, we are getting a pullback. Nasty pullback here, guys. What the heck is going on right now? All right, there we go. There we go. Take profit trader, 50K account. This is gonna be a minor healthy pullback. I don't know if this is what it. I don't know if this is a minor little pullback here, to be honest. Looks interesting. It does look interesting. Honestly, I'm not sure in which direction this is gonna go. Yeah, a bit of an indecisive doji candle we're getting right now, so.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
All
Order
right, guys, I'm gonna
filled.
try to hop on along here.
Order filled.
My stop will be at 850. That's where my stop's gotta be. Oh, by the way, I've got to put a hard stop here, guys. I've got to have a hard stop, right? Just in
Order
case.
working.
I don't want to get nuked on these.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order
So my hard
working.
stop at 840. 840. Yeah, my hard stop 840. $840 hard stop here. Yeah, like I said again, we'll call out the winner at about 400 likes. All right, so let's see if we get a little bounce, guys. I'm a long. I've got 7 contracts here on this little trade. Let's see, get a little bounce, guys. Holy mochaccino, bounce, bounce, bounce. You see, I mean, you know, as much as everybody's kind of thinking we will see a dumpster, we could get a bounce. Nobody knows. Yeah, I think the Supreme Court could take it down. Yeah, you're right. That could be a high probability. All right, guys, I'm down to 8 now. I'm down to 5.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna get rid of this limit orders,
Order
as
cancelled.
I kind of expect
Order cancelled.
this market to kind of try to hold.
Order
Wow,
working.
what a perfect entry there, guys. What a perfect entry. I don't know what stop to break even here, guys. 872. All right, guys, are we gonna finally break out right now? Are we gonna finally do it, guys? I did say that we will try to retest the low, meaning the VWAP, and then try to reattempt to pierce through that. And we are doing that right now, guys. So we're getting that sort of bounce. Oh my God, you've got to be kidding, guys. Where are the bears? I'm not sure where the bears went. Maybe the bears are having a little vacation.
Order filled.
I'll take one more off table there, guys. Take one off table. I hope you guys caught that move. On this trade, if you faded me, that may not be a good one. May not be a good one. Feels like a little squeezy here. Maybe if we break out of this 900 area, I think we could see this thing get it back into the 930s, 940s. Did Monica just say about 980? I don't know if we are going to get to 980 like all the way tonight, but if we could get over 900, we could easily get it up to 930, right? So. Wow, we got somebody going all in. Holy mochaccino. Mr. D45 in the house, man. Oh, what a perfect entry there. 68.77. Holy mochaccino. Incredible. Wow, what's this chart? Nice looking chart there, bro. All right, let's see, guys. 888. 888. I think we could pierce through now. I think I may be wrong, but I think we could. Yeah, we'll see. 155 right now. We're at 890. This will be the time to do it. If this market truly wants to get a little bounce and give us a little bit of a surprise squeeze, then this will be the time to do it. We got a new candle on a 30 minutes chart, by the way. All right, guys, we may be getting a squeeze here. Maybe getting a squeeze. 895 right now. Aisha, Aisha, écoutez-moi. All right, guys, let's see if we get a nice little squeeze, guys. The moment of truth right now. Kind of waiting. If you guys are new here, guys, don't forget to type in !Tiger and smash the like, guys, at the same time. If you guys want to support the stream. And if you guys want to be able to participate on this giveaway here, take profit share 50K account, guys. Let's go. Everybody, let's go. Let's go. I'm kind of waiting, a little patient. All right, I'm long, by the way. Somebody asked me, are you short? I'm long. I was short earlier on, but not now. I am long here, fellow traders. I've only got 4 contracts now. I may, oh man, I'd like to add some more, to be honest, but okay, we are breaking out. We are breaking out, guys. Oh my mochaccino, guys. We are getting a nice little break to the upside. Now let's see if we try to hold this, guys. It's a big level. We gotta hold this. We gotta hold this, everybody. Hold it, please. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna try to add some more.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys, I've got 20 contracts now. 20
Order
contracts,
cancelled.
guys. 20 contracts. I'm gonna have my stop here.
Order working.
Hard stop at 892. That's it.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order
And I am
working.
going to place my limit orders.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
All right, there we go,
Order
guys. My limit
working.
orders are placed now.
Order
If this
working.
dump, then I will be
Order
out
working.
with a big fat negative, of course. We'll find out, guys. 891 is where my stop is going to be. StockTiger! Average out at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 902. And 900 area, guys. That's where my entry is. And I've got a hard stop here. Well, I may bring it down. Bring it down to 888. And now I'm going to have to watch this market do its thing. Oh, my mochaccino, man.
Order cancelled.
Well,
Order
looks like I'm gonna get
cancelled. Order
stuck- well,
cancelled.
not
Order
looking that great
cancelled.
right now.
Order cancelled.
Great job,
Order
StockTiger.
cancelled. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
That could be a little ceiling there. All right, man. It's pretty close to my entry is now. I've got 20 contracts, so if this, yeah, I may be in trouble. I'm gonna take it hard on this. Oh my god. Oh my Armageddon. Is this gonna be a bearish wick there, guys? I mean, we could. This is kind of looking like a bearish rig unless we get a bounce right here now. Back into 900, guys. Yeah, I took a little stab here. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Order cancelled.
मैं मालूम नहीं ये क्या हो गया यार. ये दिमाग खराब हो गया. Oh my goody. All right, so I exited that trade, right? The 30 minutes chart wick that we have here, it did not really look okay to me. And I was like, okay, as soon as I saw that little wick, that would end up looking like a bearish wick to me. And a topping tail, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to have to exit this trade. Even though we may try to get a bounce, I mean, the risk reward was not there to try to hold that trade, right? Like, I had to, well, a lower probability of getting a nice little squeeze to the upside. We may be getting that right here, I don't know. We may be. But I mean, I want to take a step. I wanted to go a little more aggressively, to be honest. But, I don't know. Hold on one second. I want to take a little stab, guys. I mean, I just did not get a chance to do that. We'll try to go long here again. I still like it to the upside, guys, man. I'm gonna try to enter.
Order filled.
And maybe look for that little pullback here down. I still like it to the upside, guys. I mean, we yeah, I'd like to see maybe a little pullback here into the VWAP again, and try to go a lot more aggressive, right? And my hard stop's going to be somewhere down in the 850s.
Order working.
That's not going to change. I think as soon as we pull back here, I think this is going to look a lot more bearish, right, in this market. So we may try to slingshot bounce on a pullback here.
Order working.
3, 4.
Order working. Order working.
Yeah, I'm down about a few $100. I mean, it's okay. I think it's that. It's part of the plan to do that right here. All right, guys, this is what I'm going to try to do now. I'm going to try to reload here on a pullback. See if I can hold this. Yeah, I really want to go very aggressive, but I just kind of feel like I'm I don't want to get shaken out in this Globex, man. This Globex is really annoying. I'm going to be looking for that little pullback. I'm not going to be looking for a sniper sort of a perfect entry here, right? But I'd like to at least see this thing pull back here into this zone, right? And I'm going to go a lot more aggressive. And if I end up being on the wrong side, I'll exit my trade. I may be down about $1,000 by the time it's said and done. But if I get this right, this could be like $2,000-$3,000 of profit, right? So I'm going to try to go a little aggressive here. And of course, I'm trading my eval accounts. So before we prepare for the moment of truth, I'm just gonna go have to pay a little visit to the washroom. I'll be right back, guys. 1 minute. All right, so far no pullback here. Is that what it is? All right, pretty dead. Let's take a look at the silver and gold. The gold getting a little bounce, silver. Yeah, I mean, like I said again, if you're playing chop, This would be absolutely perfect to trade. Gold is definitely the one to trade if you enjoy the playing the chop, especially during the Globex ASIA. That's 20 points range. All right, now I'm going to be looking for a little pullback here down. Oh, Grant 9664, thanks bro, thanks for using my code, and thank you to everybody for using my code as well, guys. Really appreciate it. And by the way, guys, looks like Lucid dropped a 50% off on any evals, limited to 2 per trader. Holy mochaccino! You guys can use my code Tiger. You guys can use the code Tiger, TIGER. Right? It's 50% off on any account size. Holy cappuccino, everybody! This is the one that we all been looking for. The scoop of the time to do it tomorrow for PCE data, and we know what we should be doing here for tomorrow. PCE data, everybody. Great to see this. Holy nice, man. I like that, guys. Great job, listen. Holy cappuccino. There you go, guys. We know we've got what we want. We've been talking about 50% off, right? For a while now. We've got what we need. And of course, you guys can use my code if you guys want to support the stream, of course, right? Thank you so much, everybody, if you've already done that. D45, thank you, brother, man. Love you, brother. Knowledge, power, thanks, bro. Thank you, everybody. Does anybody got account under investigation? Are you talking to me or are you talking to everybody else? Not me. Somebody can answer. The good news, Mr. Good News got some questions. What do you would like to ask? How do you normally trade CPI? Oh, how do you normally trade CPI? I'm just place your bet, you know what I mean? Like, I would have, let's say, I would have 10 contracts, you know what I mean? Like, this is on a quant tower, right? So let's just say tomorrow, let's just say right now is tomorrow morning, okay? And we got like few minutes, well, let's say we got 10 more minutes for CPI news to come out, right? And the market price action is right now at this spot right here. We are at 905, for example. So I would have my order here. Sorry, for the long here, and that would be right above all the key levels, right? Right above all the key levels, right? Get above all of this. Sorry, this is on a what minute chart again? This is 1 hour chart. Sorry, man. Let's just go back to the 30. Sorry, just go back to the 50 minutes chart. I'm gonna be over 50 minutes chart. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong chart, by the way. So I would have. So we got a resistance here. I mean, some people prefer, I mean, depends on what you are, right? So some people prefer to be all the way up here, right above all the key levels, right? Or some people prefer to have right above here, and you would have a tight, you would have a limit order. And at the same time, you would have your TP as well at the same time. So that would be somewhere here, for example. You don't want to be too far off. What's going on here? Yeah, there we go. And then you would have one more that would be down here. Right, and obviously you have the resistance here too. So you have a little level of support that breaks, pulls back, right? And this is on a 5 micro, that's why it's If it's on a mini contract, then of course that's going to be difficult. So, something like this, that's what I would do. Yeah, the list is 50% off right now. With the code Tiger. Let me just try to see if that works. I'm still not sure. Let's see if that works, guys. I'm gonna try to take a look. Let's take a look and see what is it gonna be on a 150k set of platform. I'm doing a little checkout on the with the code Tiger, all caps, right? Tiger, all caps, by the way. Let me just take a look, guys. Am I getting 50% off? I'm gonna find out. Oh yeah, guys, 50% off. 50% off, guys. Yeah, that's right. 50% off right now across all the accounts. Direct accounts, or you can also go with the flex, or you can also go with the black. So obviously, because it's 50% off, might as well try to go with the a bigger size. I'm gonna go after which account am I supposed to go with? Yeah, I'm not sure which account I should be going with. So I already have I don't know if I've showed it to you guys, but I already have a mix of 50Ks and 25Ks already on these funded accounts. So yeah, it's 50% off on all the listed accounts. Any account size, it's 50% off right now. But I wonder what account size I should go with. I mean, you can only have 2 accounts at a time, so. So I already have the 25s and I already have 50Ks. I may try to go with yeah, it's no Lucid Trading has 50% off right now. It's not even 40% off. It's 50% on any account size, any account type. Hold on one second. I'm just gonna share that again with you guys, man. With the code Tiger, if you obviously want to support this channel, I would really appreciate it, of course. So here we go, guys. Listed. The link is there. I just shared, and it's 50% off right now. And on any account size, I already have 25s and the 50s. I'm just not sure what I should be getting now. I may be going after a bigger one. And by the way, guys, we got our account giveaway here. Take Profit Trader. Type in !Tiger, and At the same time, if you guys want to support the stream, make sure to smash the like as well. We will call out the winner at about 400 likes. If we can't get there, we will roll it into tomorrow, okay? It doesn't have to be today that we gotta do the giveaway. If we can't get there, we'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, the 50% on the Lucid is real, fellow traders. And of course, thank you guys for being here as well. Every freaking single night. Love you guys. Wow, what a great night, guys. A perfect time. We got Apex 90% off right now. That's a killer deal. And on top of that, we got Lucid. The Lucid deadline. Let's find out. There you go. See, it works. Paul 901. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. And by the way, guys, my Discord link is there. I'm gonna share right now. My Discord link. Yeah, the vault is their own in-house code. So you can use the code Tiger, Tiger. One second, let's take a look at this market, guys. What is this market trying to do right now? All right, pretty choppy. No, it's not Happy Kids. It's not just for a new user. It's for everybody. Everybody. I already did share there. And you also have here. Wow, $65 for a 50K account. All right, guys. Now, what is this market trying to do, guys? We are down to 901. I think this is trying to consolidate here. so far it's kind of holding. That you know, is making me be a little bit more bullish, guys. The fact that we actually ended up holding this area nicely. All right, so I'm gonna look to, like, you know, we got one more minute, guys. By the way, you got Shanghai now. Shanghai. The fact that we're kind of holding makes me feel like, you know, maybe we get a better bounce. We got a crack underneath 880, I would say, to really feel a lot more bearish in this market. But so far, we're kind of holding, guys. We got a new candle on our 30 minutes chart. All right, so I think it's going to be very important that we try to hold this now. After passing Apex account, you're paying $75. What is that again? Yeah, so you're paying $75 on Apex accounts, right? So you pass any of your accounts, you're paying $75 up to $100,000 account size, okay? And then anything beyond that, for 150k accounts to 300k, you're paying $95. That's what it is, and it's all there on our PROPFIRM discount tab. We also have a Lucy right now, 50% off. All right, so we are getting a little bounce, guys. 905 right now. Yeah, I think the market, well, I guess the firms are getting a little excited here with the PCE data that's coming out tomorrow morning. That's going to be huge, I tell you that much. Yeah, you know, honestly, I just don't know where it's going to go. You know, I did tell you guys that I feel like this market's going to give us a little bit of a surprise. So if we end up getting a push here overnight today, right into tomorrow morning, then I think it's, you know, maybe we could get an initial pump and then a dump. That could be something that we could try to make it happen tomorrow morning. So we could see a big pump early at the start that could take us somewhere like this, hit the sit in there, and eventually kind of fade down. So we'll see. It's going to be very important. Or if we dump overnight, and by the time we get to tomorrow PCE and we are down here, let's say, then I think we could see this thing go even further down. So eventually I think maybe we could be fading, but I think it really all boils down to how it's going to be tomorrow morning, right? So see, guys, I think it's not going to be as bad, the report, to be honest. So is the market going to celebrate that in front of the good news, a good report? We're going to have to wait and see. And we also have, I think, the Supreme Court. That's going to be a bigger one, in my opinion, too. So, guys, I mean, we got a lot of stuff coming up tomorrow morning. And, of course, between now through morning, we've got over 12 hours, guys. That's a lot of hours. And a lot of things can change overnight. By the time we get into tomorrow morning, maybe we already up like 200 points, for all you know. 8:30 a.m. Eastern time is when we get PCE report and GDP at the same time. That's gonna move the market, of course. And number two, we got Supreme Court deciding whether to what do you call this again? They're gonna decide if where the president had the legal authority to impose the tariff under the law called the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEEPA. So the court's gonna decide whether it was illegal or illegal. Legal or illegal. If it's illegal, then that would be a little bit of a problem. So it's gonna be weird because I think the first thing, obviously, we're gonna have the reports come in. So maybe the PCE and the GDP comes not light, but comes in line, or maybe slightly better than expectation. That could try to push the market higher, and then we get into the Supreme Court deciding that it was illegal, right? Then that would kind of really dump the market down. Oh, sorry, not make the market dump down. The market, get the market pump again. So we could see a squeeze, further squeeze in the market tomorrow morning with the good news on the report and court deciding that it was illegal, and that could kind of move the market back higher again. But keep in mind, will the buyers kind of step in and fully commit to the market? Because keep in mind, we got Iran and US. That's another catalyst that's going to move the market. And everybody is saying that we are going to see a war on the weekend. I don't know. Yeah. We'll probably have to go one step at a time. I think that's probably the good way to be trading tomorrow morning. I will be live tomorrow morning, by the way, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see, guys. I can't wait for tomorrow morning. I'm definitely going to have a good sleep, you know, to have a great morning tomorrow. And also, guys, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We will call out the winner at about 400 likes. And at the same time, if you guys want to participate, just make sure to type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this Take Profit Trader 50K account giveaway here tonight. If we can't get there, that's fine. We'll do it again tomorrow. We'll roll over to tomorrow. That's fine. What a volatility, guys. I mean, it's definitely volatile here, right? I don't think this is a small little volatility that we are getting right now, right? Yeah, I show all my losing trades. And I show all my winning trades. Thank you guys once again for being here. So the market pulling back here a little bit. The listed promo, honestly, I'm not sure. We just got it right now, so I'm not sure when it ends. I suspect it's gonna at least be for a few more days. I would imagine, or is it just gonna be for one day? I'm not sure. Let me just take a look and see. I'll let you guys know. Oh, it says April 3rd. I'm not sure if that's accurate, but it says April 3rd. JP, you would open more accounts for your brother, sister, grandma? Well, that's a big family right there. Big family. Are we getting a bounce? 908, guys. I mean, so far we're kind of holding. This could be the moment. It's kind of holding nicely, to be honest, man. Really nice push. What do you guys think? Is anybody here trying to go long on this trade?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. I'm just looking for that small little pullback here down, if I can.
Order cancelled. Order working.
Long from 908. Oh yeah. I mean, man, you know, I mean, the thing is, right, if I try to go long right here, I don't want to get I don't want to get caught on a pullback here. If we end up getting a pullback, this could be pretty big, right? So yeah, we already pushed. It's 922 now, guys, man. That's incredible. All right, guys, I'm going to be looking for that little pullback here. It looks pretty bullish overall, right? So
order working.
Let's try to long here.
Working. Order working. Order working. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
We got a bit of a resistance here, guys. Minor resistance here at 930. And we got to get through this. Yeah, that's 2 per person on listed account. That 50% off, it's 2 per person, so. All right, so I'm still looking for that little pullback here down, just not getting any of that. We need a correction. What do you mean we need a correction? And by the way, guys, just ignore that take profit trader 25k. It's not 25, it's 50k account. And like I said again, we'll call out the winner at about 400 likes. If we can't get there, that's fine. We'll roll it over to tomorrow. I will be live tomorrow morning, by the way, guys. So come hang out if you can. All right, guys, we are finally getting a little bit of a pullback here. Oh my god, am I gonna get filled on my orders, or maybe not? I'm not sure. Well, man, I have a feeling this is gonna dump all the way down.
Order cancelled.
A radical pullback. Oh baby. Oh no. Yeah, I'm still kind of waiting for a little pullback here down. 920, 940. So we are at 920 right now. So we get a little pullback down. Just one second, guys. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 minute.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. So are we going to get a bounce, or is this going to be sort of a bigger pullback here?
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
No, I'm not trying to exit my trade. I'm just trying to see if it's a decent place to kind of try to add to my position. And you know, I'm like, you know, we still have a chance of a pullback into this though, this area, right? So I'm like, I don't want to add here aggressively, and then next thing you know, it's pulled back into the 890s. We also still have a chance of a pullback into 880s, guys. I mean, it's very much possible. Trying to stay a little cautioned. Was a key level a few weeks ago. It acted either as a support. Yes. No. All right. Looks like we get a little bounce, guys. Looks like we're getting a little bounce. Yeah, this Tradebait freaking thing really glitched this morning. I had orders just came up all of a sudden out of nowhere. I probably had it placed, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes ago, and 15 minutes later, the order started to pop, and I didn't even know. 20 minutes later, I'm looking at it. I'm like, where the hell does the orders come from? I don't know if you guys had the same problem this morning, but Tradebaits tend to is making all this mistakes. So if you enter a trade, immediately try to exit, even if it doesn't show. Exit immediately, so that way you're kind of out of your trade. But yeah, I had people online complaining about Tradebait. Yeah, man, I had an issue this morning. It was really annoying. In fact, I blew my Tradify account, eval account, with the order delays, and mine was actually way longer than normally it is. Usually, it's like, you know, even if it get delayed, it's like let's say a minute or two. But this time it was like, I think it was good 5-7 minutes. By the way, really weird. Anyways, yeah, it was tough. Point Pablo, yo, bro, what? Long time no see. Anyways, guys. Yeah, I may be loading in a Lucid, the 150. 150, I'm not sure. Might as well go with the largest one, right? Because it's cheaper. It's only 170 now with the 50% off. Even though I have 5 funded accounts with them right now, but I've got a mix of 25Ks and 25s and the 50Ks. You went to the Philippines, but you're kind of stuck here. Oh, what does that mean? I hope you're okay, bro. You're kind of stuck there. What does that mean? Access to level 2? I don't look at level 2. Oh, you should be back in the States in a week. Okay, nice. I hope you're safe, bro. What's the best PROPFIRM? I think Take Profit Trader, Apex, and Lucid. This is probably my top 3 right now. Oh, flight's getting keep delayed. Okay. I mean, right now it's no brainer. If you're getting 50% off on the Lucid 50K account, you're only paying about $60, and that's like the cheapest it gets. cheapest and the hottest. All right, let me just see how much of tickets we have right now, guys. We have over 360. All right, that's pretty close. 360 tickets. And the market trying to get a bounce, or are we gonna try to pull back here with a nasty little pullback? I'm not sure. It looks like it wants to just dump pretty hard. All right, 916, here we are, guys. Are we gonna try to get a bounce now? Man, this is gonna be a huge level here. Yeah, we really have to get above the 940s. We tried to kiss 940, but we obviously ended up getting a rejection of the level, so yeah, Apex is 90% off, and then obviously you have PC data coming out tomorrow morning, right? So at 8:30. And then of course we got Lucid 50% off. 50% off right now across all the account size, but you can only have 2 accounts at 50%. Nice, David, you're about to get your first payout. I just give it take a day or two. I think you should be able to go through. Lucidivel account, can you trade the news? I never traded Lucid accounts. Do they allow, guys? I mean, anybody experienced with Lucid Flex or Pro ultimately works out better in their PA. I don't think they allow trading news, to be honest. I may be wrong, but I think that's what it is. Or maybe they do. I haven't traded Lucid on a news event, so I don't know. All right, guys, we get a little bounce. Oh, they do allow? Okay, yeah, that's good. Well, guys, man, something's moving. Something's moving this market, guys. I don't know what it is, but oh, it's a pullback. Are we gonna squeeze?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I went 10 contracts. Now I'm gonna place my hot stop here.
Order working.
Now I'm gonna be looking for an extended move. If we end up getting a pullback here, I'm gonna get stopped out. Probably at 914. Uh-oh. All right, guys, I'll exit that trade.
Order filled.
Damn. Too choppy. Too choppy for StockTiger to trade this. Oh, wow. Yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna squeeze all the way, but maybe it will try to pull back before we try to get a bounce. I mean, nice looking grind to the upside on a 30 minutes chart here, but we're kind of hitting the ceiling here, right? This is a 940 area, which is going to be pretty huge. We really have to get above that, but I don't know if we can do that right now. We may give a little pullback here and try to retest again a little bit later on. Not enough volume to kind of push this thing higher, right? So anyways, we're sitting at 921 now. We may try to pull back here, back down before we try to push for another attempt. Maybe down and then try to get back higher again. Yeah, and the VWAP is right at 885, far away from where we are right now, so. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entrance pretty soon. I just want to find out. Oh yeah, I mean, guys, try to show some love. Smash a like, guys, if you can. And so we can kind of try to go ahead and do our Take Profit Trader account giveaway. And this is again 50K account giveaway, not 25. Thank you everybody for being here as well, guys. And thank you for being patient. Yeah, I did stream a little longer here today for sure, which is cool, which is fun by me. Okay, all right. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now. And close the entries. Let's go ahead and do. Let's go ahead and call. Yeah, it's pretty choppy. Nothing, honestly, there at the moment. I think everybody's kind of waiting for tomorrow morning. And again, I'm going to give you 1 minute, of course, to confirm that you are here with us as well. The winner goes to Tiger. Yeah, Tiger, congrats once again. Yeah, not a great joke. Resume the entries. All right, I'll do it again. All right, I'm going to give you 20 seconds, guys. What am I looking at? I'm gonna close the entries. All right, good luck, guys. I'm picking the winner. Mr. Magic Farm Organic. 1 minute starts now. Mr. Magic Farm Organic. You've got 1 minute to let me know you are here. And we are going to redraw soon as the timer blinks. Oh, Magic Farm Organic is here with us, bro. We have a winner. We have a winner here tonight. Thank you, everybody. Congrats to Magic Farm Organic. I'm gonna have to have you DM me right today, so I can go ahead and take care of your account. Plus, we got the winner from yesterday as well. Please talk to me on Discord on the main chat if you can, so I can go ahead and take care of your accounts. And we are getting a little pullback here, guys, as we kind of expected to see a little pullback here before we try to maybe reattempt to retest the high here again. But anyways, Mehdi, thank you so much. Edman, Magic 44 Punisher, Jonathan, Miss K, Mr. 7, Gary LP, Sean A, Futures Trader, King Mo, D-Bay. Everybody, once again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your patience. We'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning, guys. We are live in the morning. The entire morning session, guys. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Everybody have a great rest of the night. Take a good rest for tomorrow's a big day. Thank you guys once again. Have a great rest of the night. Can't wait to see you guys back tomorrow morning. Everybody, thank you. Love you guys. Take care and peace out, everybody. Gracias, amigos. Adios, amigos. Peace. Bye-bye.